Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this short video, I'm going to discuss with you if and function in Microsoft Excel. It is a very short and a quick function, but it's really important function. So let's get into the video without wasting any further time. So here I created a very simple example. This is a performance appraisal data of the employees. First column have as the employee name, then January, February, March and April month. Then it's a total points column, which shows that how many points any employee made for all these 4 months, and then attendance record, is it excellent, good and bad. So here is a criteria for the bonus. If I want to give the bonus, if I want to see how many employees are entitled for the bonus, so I have the two criteria to test. One criteria is the total points should be greater than 200. And the second criteria is the attendance should be excellent for employee to entitle for the bonus. So I will use if and function. Start with is equal to if, press tab, and then and, press tab. And now I need to enter the first criteria. First criteria is these total point, this cell should be greater than this cell, which is a criteria cell. I'll press F4 to fix this cell and then press comma, and now I need to enter the second logical test. Second logical test is the attendance record. This cell from the attendance column should be equal to excellent, which is the criteria cell. Fix this criteria cell. So I have entered the two criteria, but if you have more than two criteria, you can easily enter. There is no restriction on it. You can enter as many criteria as you want. So I have the two criteria. The total points should be greater than 200 and the attendance record should be excellent for employee to entitle for the bonus. Now close of bracket, press comma. Now I need to enter the result. What if value true? What if the both criteria meet? I want the result word yes if the both criteria meet, and if any of the criteria doesn't meet, I want the result should be word no. So just for your information guys, in this function, if any of the criteria doesn't meet, it won't give the positive result. It means it will return us the false value. So both criteria, if we have more than two criteria, all the criteria should be meet to get the true value as a result. So I have entered the point should be greater than 200 and the attendance record should be excellent, and then if the both criteria meet, the result should be yes, and if any of the criteria doesn't meet, the result will be no. So I will close the bracket, press enter. So it's showing me the yes. If I want to copy this formula, just double click at the bottom. It will say yes, no, no. So why it's saying yes? Because the total points for the Josh is more than 200 and attendance record is excellent. Second one is his points is less than 200, so this criteria is not meeting. Third one, Claire, although the points are more than 200 but the attendance record is bad, so that's why one of the criteria doesn't meet. That's why it's showing the result no, because this employee is not entitled to any bonus. So this is how we use the formula, and the formula is if and logical test 1, logical test 2. You can put the further logical test and then the result. What if the value comes true? What would be the result, and comma, and what if the value comes false? If any of criteria doesn't meet, then what should be the result? So this is a very simple function you can easily use. Hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks and the important formulas. So I'll see you guys in next video.